So this is the first problem of the isometric. In this, a sphere of 50 mm diameter, which is resting centrally on the top of cube of side 50 mm, means at the top of the cube. It's a simple way. We'll explain here. Consider this is a cube. Cube means always it is having side and height will be same. At the top of the cube, a sphere will be there. This is what we have to transfer into a grid sheet, that is isometric sheet. So first I will mark a point on this. And we'll call it as 1. So a sphere of 50 mm diameter is there. So 50 mm is nothing but direct level transfer here. This is a converted sheet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you will get 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you will get 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the 50 mm diameter cube, the 50 mm side of cube. Now we'll join these with a thin line. First, always you have to draw with a thin line in the iso sheet, because after construction is over, you have to make the line which is visible should be made dark. So because of that, draw with a thin line. So this is, so we'll call it as 2, 3, 4. Now it is having a side of 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On all the side it is 5. 50 by 50. Now we'll join these centers on either side. So because of both the sides are same, it will coincide each other. Now from the center, if you take the height, if you take the center height 50 millimeter, just see that from the center 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till this, or you can take with the help of divider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from this point to this point 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, this point 5. From here to here you can cut from here to here. We'll check. See the distance I am taking, the 50 millimeter, and you can also check 50. You will get the same point. So here at the center we will get the height. So this is how you have to take the distances. For that, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at the center we will get the height. So I am taking height 50 millimeter, ISO 50 from all the corner. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and bottom one number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly it will be at this third point. So from here, if you take the distance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you will get. So we'll join all these points once again with the thin lines. Please draw with a thin line before, till complete construction is over. Should be with a thin line. Now I have made a cube of 50 mm length. It's shown here. Cube of 50 mm length I have drawn here. Now you have to draw the sphere. To draw the sphere, always from center height of the cube, from cube center you have to take a ISO height. ISO height is nothing but it's the center. Now if you join this, you check here. So this corner will be joined each other, and already it has been joined. from center you have to take iso height means 1 2, that is 50 mm diameter, a sphere of 50 mm. So if you convert 50 mm, it will be 25. 1 2 5. Here you will get the height 20, iso 25. So we'll just mark here. So this height is 25, iso 25. From this you have to draw the original sphere, original length sphere. There is nothing but, we'll show you. From the original scale you have to take the 25 mm distance. So 25 mm distance I have taken from the original scale. Please remember, original scale. Here you got the height. Then you have to draw from this center with the original height. Once again you can check. The height which I have taken is 25. So this is the 25 I have taken. By keeping at the height, you have to draw a sphere. Sphere should be made dark. Sphere should be dark. Okay, no problem. Sphere should be dark. Now the width line should be made dark. Just see the which is visible. So I am making the lines which are visible dark. Which are visible, only which are visible. So always top face will be dark. So look at the construction. See, other lines should be thin. So what I have made, this line, this line, this line, this line, this and this, along with only this part till it intersect sphere. Sphere will be always with the original 25 radius. Always this is 25 original scale, but the height you have taken is iso 25. Please remember this, very important. Sphere, wherever it looks in the iso, always it should be a original length of 25 mm radius, but height will be taken iso 25. From here 10, 20, 25. Please remember this.